Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're not. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you my routine for when I blow my hair out using the RevAir Reverse Air Hair Dryer. I'm starting with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I've already applied my leave-in. What you don't want to do is use oil in your hair before using the RevAir. Oil will clog up the filter and can damage the unit. And for the price of this baby, you definitely do not want to be shortening its lifespan. Now, because I don't have a lot of density, normally I can rev my hair in 4 sections. However, when I want my hair to be a bit more smooth, I'll split it into more sections. In the front, I'm going to split my hair into 3 on each side of my head. Then when I move to the back, I'll split it into another 3 on each side. So that's a total of 12 sections. I'm not using any hair clips. I'm just keeping the sections wrapped into loose Bantu knots. Okay, so I had to turn on my ring light. You can see it in the back, but this is actually more for me than you, because while the video is clear without it, I can barely see without my glasses and need the extra light. I digress. Anyway, for my products, I'm using RevAir's Tribology Play It Straight Hair Primer. You have to emulsify it a bit between your fingers or your hands so that it's more pliable to apply to your hair. It's a very thick consistency and helps to protect the hair from heat as well as seal it. However, the RevAir doesn't emit a lot of heat like regular hair dryers. It's actually very gentle and I love using it for my fine natural hair. I like to work this product through my hair and then focus on adding a bit more to my ends. Now, once I'm ready to blow my hair out, I start with the low heat setting. Then when my hair is almost dry, I switch to the high heat setting, then blast it with the cool shot setting. I also use the highest tension setting on the RevAir, which is a level 7. I find that the tension isn't too much for my fine hair and it's just right. So after about a minute, I check it and then I switch to the high setting on the RevAir. This helps to straighten my hair out even further. And because I really want to get those roots and get my hair stretched out even further, I'm going to split this section into 2 again and then work on the top section of my hair and then switch back to the front. Basically, you don't have to do this, but I like to do it when I really want to get my results to be a little bit more smooth so that I don't have to use as much time having my hair in the dryer, but the smaller sections help to dry it even faster. Look at how smooth those results are. I could get it even straighter, but I'm going to be braiding my hair. If I were to flat iron my hair, I may work to get it even straighter. Like that will ever happen. I'm actually looking forward to wash and go season, aka summer, but again, I'm straying. When using the RevAir, you don't want to pump the unit up and down as it interferes with the flow of air. So don't do that. Just leave it in place for about 60 seconds. I check my hair to see how dry it is after that length of time and then switch to the high setting for another 30 seconds or so. One thing that's important to note also is that the top of my hair is a lot more resistant to being straightened. It could be the texture, it could be the porosity. I really don't know. I just know that when I work on the top section of my hair, I do need to spend a little bit more time stretching it out. Working on the back of my hair at the bottom. Guys, this is a totally different hair type than the rest of my hair. It is very fine with a looser curl pattern and very easily straightened, unlike the crown section to my hair, which can be very resistant to straightening. No, seriously. Here's a close-up. Look at how straight that hair gets compared to the rest of my hair. It almost looks like I flat ironed it. So I think you get the picture. I'm going to finish revving my hair off camera and I will come back with the results. Just a quick wrap up. This pomade that I use from RevAir, it's their product line, Tribology Hair Primer. It does serve to provide heat protection, which is why I did not use an additional heat protectant. These are my final results. I can definitely get my hair a lot straighter, but again, I am braiding my hair. But look, my roots are really smooth and all that red that you see throughout my hair, that reddish hue, is just my accumulation of henna. So now what I like to do is I like to follow up with Creole Essence's Long Hair Don't Care pomade. This stuff is golden, y'all. Like, I love this stuff so much. I'm just taking this, and what I like to do is I like to add it to the ends of my hair. So it is a hair growth pomade. However, because I really don't want to put anything on my roots right now. I won't use it on my scalp until maybe later on in the week. But I feel like it really does revive the ends of the hair, and it makes it feel so soft. Even though this is to me the best dry I've ever had, I think that no matter what hair dryer you use, your hair can tend to feel just a little tiny bit dry on the ends. And so I like to add this to the ends of my hair. And what's great is too, I have to say, I use this RevAir, like I showed earlier, on the highest heat setting. I use it on the highest tension level, and I am never concerned about, I have not had heat damage yet. I've had my unit for several months. I think I've had it, no, more than several months. I've had my unit for maybe 7 months or so, or something like that, or 6 months, something like that, I forget. But these are my results, guys. It is like an amazing hair dryer, especially for fine hair, because you know our hair is very prone to being broken and being damaged, especially with heat. But the heat that this dryer emits is much less heat than a standard hair dryer. When I go to set my hairstyle, I will lay my edges with this Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. I'm actually not going to repurchase this product because it doesn't last, to be honest. And for the amount that you pay, it just doesn't, for me, it doesn't last. I use Got to Be Glued also, and to me, for the price of this compared to that, this lasts a little bit longer. Now for the giveaway. Can y'all tell I'm in a generous mood? I have teamed up with RevAir to give one of you guys a RevAir. Psych, I should have did this video on April 1st. I had y'all going though, right? Nah, seriously, I am not that popular for them to be handing out hair dryers to be given away to people. But I do have a giveaway for you guys. What I'm doing is I'm giving away another hair printable on my Etsy shop, and it is the monthly simplified hair regimen. You could either choose the faith-based version or the regular version that's not faith-based. I will leave a link to it in the description box below so you can see, but all you need to do to enter to when I will gift someone this in another week or so, in my next, not the Quick Tip Friday video, but in the next Tuesday video, I will gift someone. I will just pick someone at random to win that download, and all you need to do is tell me, how often do you blow out your hair? That's it. Oh, and you got to, of course, be a subscriber to this channel. I always neglect to say that because I think I be feeling like it's a given. Congratulations, my friend. Make sure you email me at michelle@finenaturalhairandfaith.com. That way I will respond with your download. Please give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you like the video and you want to see more like it, or even leave some like comments letting me know the type of videos you guys want to see for your fine natural hair. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know me, I will start rambling. God bless.